Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that notifications bell. You guys will be notified whenever I upload an awesome vending machine or Star Wars video like this. I also wanted to thank you guys so much for getting me to 78 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. It is awesome, and I plan to do more with my channel, and I plan also to make it grow, and just it'll be amazing. So please guys, if you are not subscribed, subscribe. And also this vending machine, I had to use, well, I didn't have to, but I chose to use the Mindstorms brick, and it is actually the older NXT brick. It is not the EV3 one, but I thought I should use it for this machine. After so many years of having it and not using it in a single video, I thought it was a little weird, so I decided to bring it out and program it, and here it is on this machine. My next video, I plan to make a Sprite machine, a soda Sprite machine. That is my next plan. I just wanted to make this because it is almost Easter for those who celebrate it. It's going to be amazing, especially I have not seen a single video on YouTube, at least at this moment of making this video. I have not seen a single one of these on YouTube. So I think this is a great idea. I mean, customizing your own Easter eggs is a really cool idea, and having 2 options for candy, I actually was going to do 4, honestly. I wanted to do that, but I didn't really think I would have enough bricks, and I'm glad I didn't, because I really started to get desperate. I'm sure you guys saw a lot of weird pieces inside, but the outside looks nice, so that's good. And just if you guys didn't know what this is, it is an egg. It may not look like one, but when I was building it, it did look like one. And it is also missing a piece there, and that sucks. I did not even notice that. So if you guys did, comment that down below, because that's crazy. I didn't even notice that. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.